don't think that goose is happy that I'm in the water. I'm on its territory. Here it goes. Watch this. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, going into the bank. That's one powerful bird. Right, I can see the little wooden bridge, which is where I put the kayak in. Not a bad way to spend the morning, definitely not. That wind's picking up a bit now. Yeah, that's the little wooden bridge that I crossed in my previous video. Remember the kayak recce video? Oh, where am I going? I'm going the wrong way again. I've really got to get used to which way to walk. Yeah, so that was the little wooden bridge. Oh, I'm spinning. I'll let the sun's decided to come out just as I'm about to get out. Sod's law in it, eh? Can't say I'm disappointed. I've had a really, really nice morning. I'll go home, have a bit of brekkie. Bit of egg on toast, I think. Then trim that hedge. And that is not a euphemism for my wife's bits. The hedge at the front of the house. Right, we're coming up to the bank now. Oh, I want to go under the bridge. No, I'll save it for another day. Yeah, I'll have to do a review. Just straighten that up a moment. I'll have to do a review on this kayak. I'm not going to do one today. Obviously, it's the first time I've played with it as such. So, but next time I take it out, I will do a little review on it, and you know, the pros and the cons. I can give you a con straight away. I mean, it's not, you know, hasn't got that much room inside. If you used to have the 2 seats, it would be, well, not uncomfortable, because I'm quite comfortable now. I've got my legs crossed, and obviously the next seat would be there. So if it was just the 2 people, then yeah, there's plenty of room for that. But I'm just saying, if there's 2 people and you were trying to carry something, like you wanted to go on a picnic or something, you wouldn't have too much room to store stuff. But I mean, how much stuff do you need to bring with you anyway? You're just on the river, you're just having a nice time, you know. You don't bring half the house with you. But I suppose I'm just comparing it to some of the other sort of like Sevlor ones I've seen on YouTube. They tend to be a bit wider and they're more like military style. And don't get me wrong, they're nice. But I'm quite happy with this one. So yeah, I will do a review. And I think it's going to be quite favourable. Intex have definitely got themselves a well-built inflatable kayak here. And that's a crash. So that's it. My first trip on me kayak. I'm well pleased. Now I've just got to try and get out of it without getting in the drink. I suppose it comes with practice. Now that might have been easy. There's a mud bank over there. Let me just show you that. Maybe if I'd have gone over that side. No, it can't be any easier. How can mud be any easier? Right, out we get. Better leave that on. Yeah, so that was fun. Just heading back to the car now. Like I said, I've got to go home, got things to do. But yeah, plenty more of this to come. Oh, wicked. Yeah, I noticed something when I was taking the kayak out of the water. Now, how I forgot about this, I don't know, but how lucky was this? Can you see in there? See that hole there? I think you're supposed to plug that up. You're not supposed to have a gaping big hole at the bottom. Oh well, I didn't sink. Lesson learned for next time. Oh yeah, definitely getting a bit chilly now. Where's me? Oh, you sweater. Take these off. I need them. I thought it would have been colder first thing, but it seems to be getting colder now. Right, let's deflate this thing. Get this lot of weight. I'm not even going to attempt to do that bag up. Right, in you go. Get in now. Oh, don't forget my sunglasses. Well, that was fun. Definitely got to do that again. Oh, so I'm a bit bunged up. My nose is always bunged up. I suppose I should go to the doctor's about it really. Right, yeah, so that was me on my first outing with the Intex Explorer K2 Explorer. Can't recall which way it goes. But yeah, that was a really nice morning and I'm well chuffed with it. So I'm just going to head home. And like I said, I'm going to have some breakfast, then I've got to do the hedge. And that's it, out this way, okay. Just make sure I know where I'm going. Right, yeah, so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a bit rushed. Apologies for that, but it was a last minute decision. I only decided yesterday that I was going to take the kayak out. And my oldest, he's gone back down to Slough for the week, and I think he's taken my tripod with him. Now that I was planning on using because I could set it at different heights, and that would have been ideal, just perched there, and it would have given a better view of what was going on. So, you know, you can imagine how hard it was trying to control the kayak and film at the same time. I gave up trying to film on the camcorder, on the iPhone, sorry. I'm using the iPhone now for the in-car stuff, but I use the camcorder for when I'm out and about. And I just couldn't risk it. I'd have ended up dropping my phone. And no, it wasn't worth it. So, and you got more control over the camcorder anyway, because it's got like a strap and handle and that. So yeah, like I said, so I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be plenty more to come. Let me know what you think. Please feel free to leave your comments. Just try not to be too nasty, because I can be nasty back. Right, I'm off home. You lot have a lovely day, and I'll see you all again soon, hopefully on the water. Until then, take care. Dug out.